everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make キャベツのオイル蒸し。It's one of the simplest and the yummiest cabbage dish I've ever known. So easy, but incredibly flavorful. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this キャベツのオイル蒸し. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Some cabbage, garlic, salt, soy sauce, and extra virgin olive oil. All random amount, there is no recipe. Cabbage into half and let's remove the core. Remove the core. Into the pot as you tear it into bite-sized pieces. Minced garlic and also into the pot. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil and give it a good mix. Two tablespoons of water and just cook over medium heat with the lid on. It's just a little amount of water, so you're basically steam cooking it with the water of the cabbage itself. Lid on and cook. Cooked for 5 minutes, and you start to see steam coming out from the pot, and you start to smell garlic. Then turn the heat off. Now the cabbage is wilted. You may see some burn at the bottom, but don't worry, it's part of the flavor. Little more olive oil. Some salt, and soy sauce. Give it a mix. And it's done. Let's serve in the bowl. And キャベツのオイル蒸し is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The aroma of the garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and soy sauce are so well harmonized, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. キャベツのオイル蒸し is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. How about karaage for the main? Let's have plain rice here and enoki miso soup here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.